2019 Mercedes-Benz CLS revives the straight six. It's finally here, the third generation of the car that popularized the four-door coupe design, the Mercedes-Benz CLS. This 2019 model replaces the version that first appeared in production form way back in 2010. Compared with that car, the new CLS looks much cleaner and leaner. Though the CLS has always been about style, this generation is also important from a powertrain perspective. Under the slinky hood is the first application of Mercedes-Benz's new turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six. It will be the only engine available at launch, and it makes 362 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. Sadly, Mercedes hasn't brought back a logical naming scheme based on power or displacement, as the introductory six-cylinder model is called CLS 450. The straight six also has a combination starter and generator hooked up to a 48-volt electrical system. The motor produces 21 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque, and, just like many other 48-volt mild hybrid systems, it's there to improve fuel efficiency. It can provide assistance with acceleration from a stop, as well as allow for engine off coasting at times.